Kintsugi is the ancient Japanese art that breathes new life into broken objects. Yet, it also carries a profound message that resonates deeply within us all. So what exactly does this ancient practice of repairing damaged pottery and ceramics tell us about our own inner healing and self-acceptance in a modern world which surrounds us with images of perfection and unattainable beauty? Kintsugi, the golden repair, a traditional Japanese restoration technique. Mending broken ceramics and pottery while embracing imperfections with reverence and beauty. An art form that takes us on a journey through a storied past, rich with philosophical depth. On the surface, it's a method of binding broken or chipped pottery back together using lacquer and lacquerware. Yet, what sets Kintsugi apart is its unique approach to damage. Instead of concealing the flaws, this art form highlights them with gold or silver dust, celebrating each crack and chip as an integral part of the object's history and aesthetic. The philosophy of Kintsugi teaches us that beauty can be found in the flawed and imperfect, and these scars are not merely to be tolerated, but honored as symbols of an object's life story and resilience. Tracing its roots back to ancient times, as far back as the Neolithic German period, there is evidence of people using similar methods to repair pottery even then. These artifacts repaired with lacquer give us glimpses of the long-standing ethos of cherishing and reusing. A profound respect for objects and the stories they carry through time. Evolving over the centuries, Kintsugi emerged as a distinct art form of its own around 400 years ago. From the practice of tea ceremony, or cha no yu, which had become popular throughout Japan, Kintsugi was born. It was the great tea master, Sen no Rikyu, who refined the art of the tea ceremony. His wabi-cha aesthetic emphasized simplicity and the beauty of the minimal. An ethos that continues to shape tea ceremonies and Japanese culture to this very day. At that time, the tea ceremony became the domain of the elite, reflecting the social and political landscapes of the time. The great shogun, Oda Nobunaga, notably used the tea ceremony for political gain, distributing tea utensils as tokens of favor and symbols of power. A highly valued reward for those who had shown the utmost valor and loyalty on the battlefield. Thus, art, ritual, and politics intertwined, enriching the cultural fabric, cloaking Kintsugi. Damaged ceramics, with lacquer and gold dust, emphasizing the filled-in chips and cracks, became prized objects. Valued as expressions of unique beauty and resilience reflecting our own fragile existence. Ultimately, Kintsugi is not just a technique for repair, but a philosophical testament to the beauty of impermanence and imperfection. In its celebration of each flaw, Kintsugi invites us to find grace in our vulnerabilities, our quirks and even our failings. To see them not as blemishes but as badges of honor and stories of resilience. Weaving gold into the spirit. A reminder of the beauty of life's imperfections. For more on the art that reflects the philosophy of Kintsugi, please visit my website where I have a Kintsugi series for you already. And don't forget to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.